What is going on, everybody? James, Urban Bass Slayers, out here with my buddy Greg. We are at Rattlesnake Bar part. So we are out here, Rattlesnake Bar, and we are at good old Avery's Pond. This is where I learned how to bass fish. We are out here trying to catch some spring going into summertime bass. Come along on this little adventure with us and see if we can catch them. We're gonna catch them. Fish just came out of the water and tried to get my bait and ended up on the shore. Oh, that was rad. Cruising. Man, I blew that one. That's probably like a fucking 2 pounds. Oh, totally had him. Is he on that bed? He's just out cruising now, but I missed him. I tossed out in front of him and just waited to see my line move, and he grabbed it. Oh. Oh, that was rad. That's just like, is that what's gonna happen all day today? I was bringing my bait out of the water and he freaking grabbed it right at my feet. He ripped the back of my Senko off. That's how close I was to catching him. Dang. If I had a 3/0 hook on, I would have caught him. Yeah, they're super active right now. That was fun. Go grab another Senko. I'm gonna keep them in my pocket. I already know what we're doing today. I brought 2 poles, but probably should have only brought 1. When they get hot like this, I just take these out of my bag and keep them in my pocket. That way, I have to keep going back and get more. I have a feeling that we're going to go through a lot of these today. Your old Texas rig. The water's a little lower than I thought it would be. Actually, it's a lot lower. I thought it would be up over the step over there, like the last couple of years. Need to clean that channel out, but it would take like 30 people to fucking do it. See how little water is actually coming in right there? Yeah, it got really bad. Oh, just missed one. Greg got a small one on the squirrel. Nice. Because the water will be, well, actually when the water goes down, it's hard to fish that side. Unless the water's all the way down, then you can really do the thing. It should be in there. There's plenty of water to get in here, I think. Do some inspecting. Yeah, they should be able to get in here. You'd think. You're gonna get in the trees. Get out of there, buddy. I'll let him run. Hopefully he'll get out of there. He's still on. I can't walk out that far. Oh, he got off. Fun bite. How that one's on. Little small guy. It's the only hard part's getting it back in. No way. He grabbed it on the way down. Oh man. Huh? Yeah, you're gonna laugh too.
On your flopper?
Greg. I put on the mini one that I found.
That's hella funny, though.
Hold on, Frank. Come on. Here we go. Cute little guy. Oh, yeah. Saw my line taking off and whoomp. Not a huge fish. They're never really huge out here. There's a couple big ones in this pond, but we just came out for a day of catching. Used to come out to this spot a lot with my buddy Tim, and there was no bushes here at the time. These big old bushes were not here. They grew over in the last like 10 years. But we would sit right here on this corner and just throw Senkos out here, and just dead stick them. We'd catch fish all day long, man. So, Timmy, shout out, bro. Oh, yeah. That's why we fish with braid. Get up here. Tried to get me in that grass, didn't you? I saw you. Nice little fish. Just dead stick in the Cinco, man. Sometimes it gets tough. Oh yeah.
Oh, bitch. Come on.
Might have to go down and get him. Got him? Little dink will do. Another dink. They're not big out here, like I say, but they're fun.
Got my
They're
PB
catchable. Oh, right. I always forget that. You did get your PB out here. And I'm not going to spook him because I was standing here last time and that fish jumped out of the water. Yeah, this spot right here, one of my favorite spots. I almost always catch one right here. And I got one cruising in right in front of me. Oh, he's gonna eat it. Oh, there's two of them there. Oh. A little one on top water. Well, I think my camera's overheating is what's going on here. It was epic and I just missed it. This buddy's sitting right in front of me. If I can get the damn hook out. There, dude. I can't do this quick enough. And my Cinco's ripped in half. Let's see if I can catch this dude that's right in front of me. Ah, I spooked him. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. He went right down in that stuff. That's crazy. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, folks of all ages, Gregory and I are getting out of here. It's hot. Got out for the early morning bite and got on some good fish. Oh, pretty cool looking butterfly. Anyways, got on some good fish. We weren't coming out to catch giants. This place isn't about giants. It's just a little tiny pond. And come out here and catch some fish. Yep, it's getting really hot. It's supposed to be like 94 today, and it's getting up around noon, 1 o'clock. So we are getting out of here. Anyways, herb bass slayers, get out there and go fishing. Have fun. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next one.